a video tasting this cherry gin that I made in a Negroni. So I was kind of thinking it's always nice to have a replacement for one of the ingredients in a Negroni. You know, like the price of Campari has gone through the roof, and the price of Vermouth has gone through the roof. So if we can find an alternative for it, it might be kind of quite nice. So I have made the Negroni with exchanging the cherry gin for some Vermouth, which is that one, but still having the Campari and the gin in it. And then I've done the same. I replaced the Campari with the cherry gin and put Vermouth in it and gin, and then I've got a normal straight Negroni. They've all got a zest of orange in. Let's give them a taste. So we'll do the proper Negroni first. Very nice, my favourite cocktail. And then this is the replacing the Vermouth one. No, this is replacing the Campari one. That's good. That's good. And then the burp. And then this is the replacing the Vermouth one. They're both good, either way, in all honesty. I suppose I should have done one. No, because I was going to say I should replace the gin with the cherry gin, but it's not as alcoholic as normal gin, and I do like a Tanqueray gin. That's kind of like a little bit stronger than most gins, and that cherry gin will have lost some of its alcoholicness. So, if ever can't get any Vermouth, or if ever can't get any Campari, I can make a Negroni without them, and just using the cherry gin as a substitute for either. But there we go, they're delicious. I really shouldn't have 3 drinks, but it's Christmas. I think this one's nicer. Yeah, it's the bitterness of the Campari that makes the Negroni. But maybe we could make the cherry gin a little bit bitter by putting some botanicals in it. Maybe. I've got quite a bit. I've got like that and that and that. So I made quite a bit. So we can certainly maybe have a play around with that in the future. But anyway, that's a success.